Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. If you are new, then subscribe and ring the bell. Don't skip the video. Are you in the market for a stylish, functional, and feature-packed smartwatch? Look no further. Today, we're counting down the top 7 ZOSKVEE Smart Watches designed for both women and men, featuring the latest in wearable technology, including the ability to dial and answer calls directly from your wrist. Whether you're an active professional, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who loves staying connected on the go, these smartwatches are the perfect blend of fashion and function. We'll dive into their standout features, sleek designs, and what makes each one a must-have accessory. Stay tuned as we explore the best ZOSKVEE has to offer and help you find the perfect smartwatch that fits your lifestyle.
The smartwatch for men and women is a game changer with its sleek design and versatile features. It lets you dial and answer calls directly from your wrist, keeping you connected on the go. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts and tech lovers alike, this watch offers seamless performance and modern style. A must-have for those who value convenience and functionality. Elevate your daily routine with this all-in-one smart accessory.
The smartwatch for men and women is a stylish, high-performance accessory, perfect for Android, iPhone, and Samsung users. With its 1183 screen, it allows you to answer, make calls, use quick replies, and access the AI voice assistant effortlessly. Its IP68 rating ensures durability, while advanced features like blood oxygen and heart rate tracking make it ideal for fitness enthusiasts. Available in a chic pink, this smartwatch is a must-have for anyone looking to combine functionality with fashion.
Experience the ultimate in wearable technology with our 183 smartwatch for men and women. Answer and make calls directly from your wrist while tracking your fitness with 123 sport modes, blood pressure, heart rate, and sleep monitor. IP68 waterproof ensures durability, making it perfect for any adventure. Compatible with both iPhone and Android, this smartwatch is your all-in-one health and connectivity companion.
Ruimen's smartwatch is a game changer. With its 185 HD screen, it offers crystal clear visuals, and the ability to make answer calls keeps you connected on the go. Compatible with both iPhone and Android, it tracks over 100 sports modes while monitoring heart rate in real time. Waterproof and stylish in blue, it's the perfect blend of function and fashion.
The 185 HD smartwatch is a perfect blend of style and functionality, designed for both men and women. Its vibrant display ensures clear visuals, while the advanced health tracking features keep you in check with your wellness goals. With customizable watch faces and long-lasting battery life, it's not just a timepiece, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Stay connected on the go with notifications and fitness insights right on your wrist. Elevate your everyday with this sleek and versatile smartwatch.
The smartwatch for men and women is a game changer. With its seamless call and message reminder features, staying connected has never been easier. Stylish and versatile, it fits any occasion while keeping you in control of your day. Plus, its intuitive design makes it the perfect tech companion for all. Don't miss out on this must-have gadget.
The 196 HD smartwatch is a game changer, perfect for both men and women. With its sleek design, it not only tracks your fitness, but also lets you answer and make calls directly from your wrist. The vibrant display and intuitive interface make it a must-have accessory for staying connected and stylish on the go. Upgrade your tech with this versatile smartwatch.